Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with Power Up. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so the infotainment is active. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets the car find it. On the Range Rover screen, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and choose Add New Device now. Once you initiate pairing on the car, watch the screen for the incoming device name. This first actionable step gets both devices talking and triggers the PIN exchange required to confirm identity. Once the car displays your phone, select its name and wait for a PIN code to appear on both screens. You must compare and accept the PIN on the Range Rover and on your phone. That cryptographic confirmation prevents accidental connections. After pairing, the system will ask for permissions. Grant call audio, media audio, and contacts or phone book sync so voice dialing and caller ID work. Make sure to set the phone as primary if you want it to auto-connect next time. Finish by testing. Play music and place a short call to confirm both media and phone audio route through the car speakers and microphone. If everything sounds good, enable Auto Connect and set phone priority so reconnection happens automatically. If the connection fails, remove any old Range Rover entry on your phone, delete the phone entry on the car, then retry pairing. This key troubleshooting step clears stale profiles and resolves most issues without updates or dealer visits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.